application of big data processing technology in power consumption, information acquisition. Wang and Yukun and Chao and Jingrui and Dingbo and Qiusheng. Abstract. In the big data environment of power enterprise operation, power consumption information plays an important role in user behavior monitoring and power generation task planning. In order to provide effective information reference for power work, big data processing technology is applied to optimize the design of power information acquisition method according to the competition structure and working principle of the power network. The power network model is constructed. The power information collector and the processor are installed, and the AD conversion circuit is used to complete the AD conversion of the power information acquisition signal. Synchronously control the power consumption information acquisition program and use big data processing technology to count the power consumption information parameters such as electricity consumption and electricity charges. Introduction. User power consumption information acquisition is to realize power consumption monitoring. 1. Implement step pricing, load management, and then loss analysis through the acquisition and analysis of power consumption data of distribution, transformers, and end users, and finally achieve the purposes of automatic meter reading. Off-peak power consumption inspection, load forecasting, and power consumption cost saving to establish a comprehensive user electricity information acquisition system. It is necessary to build the system master station, transmission channel, acquisition equipment, and electronic watt-hour meter. The coverage rate of power information acquisition of State Grid Corporation of China is 100%, with the application of smart meters in China becoming more and more popular. Design of power consumption information acquisition method. The power consumption information acquisition includes three aspects, namely real-time acquisition, timing task acquisition, and terminal active reporting. Real-time acquisition refers to the data required for real-time measurements, including terminal parameters, real-time data, historical data, terminal events, etc. The timed task collection is the most important aspect of data collection. The system terminal data is collected by timed automatic tasks and then stored in the database. The main content of the timing task includes the collection of historical data terminals. After the first data collection, the data shall be analyzed and measured immediately to calculate the success rate, and then the invalid data obtained from the collection and analysis shall be supplemented. Scheduled automatic task collection needs to configure to task type, task start time, number of tasks to be executed each day, application experiment analysis. For the purpose of testing the application performance of big data, processing technology in power consumption information acquisition. The application performance test experiment is designed. The power consumption information acquisition method before the application of big data processing technology, and the power consumption information acquisition method using cloud storage technology are cited as the comparison method of the experiments. Through the test and analysis of power consumption information acquisition error, acquisition redundancy, and acquisition integrity. It shows the advantages of the optimization design method in information collection performance. Conclusion. With the development of society, power grid business has become more and more complex, which has caused difficulties in data collection, data calculation, data statistics, and analysis, and its data storage has also increased. Therefore, this paper proposes the application research of big data processing technology in power consumption, information acquisition, through the integration and application of big data technology. The performance bottleneck of the power consumption information acquisition system has been effectively solved so as to better assist the normal operation and the maintenance of power consumption, information acquisition, and grid development. Reference 张一莹 Pang 郝元 Fei Liu ETAL. Research on power consumption information acquisition system based on high-speed clear interconnection protocol. G. International Journal of Systems Assurance Engineering and Management 2011. 4. 806 to 811. M. Parameters D. Cardinals AO ETAL. Detection of potentially compromised computer nodes and clusters connected on a smart grid. Using power consumption data, G sensors 2018 575. 张强 王鹏 李珊珊 ETAL. A portable real-time EEG single acquisition and telemedicine system D. 2021 4. 891 to 901. 李修 潘红 朱荣生 Simulation of vulnerability, identification of mobile terminal, software child-side channel, computer simulation. 2022 39 to 496 to 500. Thank you.